Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to do a guillotine on a picture. First of all, save your picture, open it in GIMP. Then you need to get these little tiny black arrows that are on the top and drag them down to wherever you want the guillotine to be. I'll drag the first one there and the second one down here. As you can see, there are two dotted lines across the photograph. The same on the left. If I want more than one guillotine line, I'll just drag it across. To move it, just grab it and move it to the correct position, wherever you feel happy with. If you're not happy with a guillotine, just drag it off the screen. So I've got 9 squares there. Straightforward to guillotine, image, transform, guillotine. All the pictures saved in their own little image area. If you wish to save all of them individually, you need to save them. Else you can just discard them if you are happy with what you've got so far. Image guillotine. Straightforward. Have a go yourself.